Want to work from home and make money online? Freelancing is one of the best ways to earn in Nepal without needing a full-time job. In this video, I'll guide you through setting up your Fiverr and Upwork profiles, getting your first gig, and maximizing your earnings. Here you'll learn how to create a strong profile, how to land your first client, how to increase your freelancing income. Stay till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more online earning tips. Step 1. Choosing the right freelance skill. Before you start, you need to decide what service you want to offer. Here are some in-demand freelance skills that pay well in Nepal. Choose a skill in graphic design, video editing, content writing, SEO, and digital marketing, web development, or virtual assistants that you enjoy. Start learning through free YouTube tutorials or platforms like Coursera and Udemy. Step 2. Creating a strong Fiverr and Upwork profile. Your profile is your online resume. Here's how to create a professional Fiverr and Upwork profile that attracts clients. Key elements of a winning profile. Checkmark profile. Picture. Checkmark. Title. Short and specific checkmark description, checkmark portfolio, checkmark skills and certifications. Take time to prepare a strong profile because first impressions matter. Step 3. Finding your first freelance gig. Now, let's talk about getting your first order. On Fiverr, you wait for clients to come to you. But on Upwork, you have to send proposals. Here's how to increase your chances of getting hired. Send customized proposals. Offer competitive pricing as a beginner. Complete small jobs to get 5-star reviews. Stay online for faster client responses. On Fiverr, you can also promote your gig on Facebook groups and LinkedIn to get more visibility. Step 4. Scaling up and earning more. Once you get your first gig, how do you earn more? Follow these steps to grow your freelance business. How to increase your earnings. Upsell additional services. Example, SEO plus blog writing. Deliver work on time. Clients love fast delivery. Build long-term clients. Offer discounts for repeat orders. Increase prices after you have good reviews. The more value you provide, the more you can charge. Freelancing is a great way to make money in Nepal without any big investment. If you follow these steps, you can start earning within weeks. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more freelancing tips.